Hey guys, Jerry with Control Pair Munitions with a product review video from a recent BattlBox opening. Alright, welcome back guys, thanks for tuning in. So I just did a BattlBox opening and we had these NOSO patches I talked about. I am going to be putting those on some 511 pants. So these pants, I was out shooting with a couple of my guys and went on my knee while shooting my 1911 and I tore this hole in my pants. And I haven't really worn them since. Okay, well, I take that back. I painted the house because I didn't really care about the pants. So I got paint on them. But still, I need to test out the product. And I don't really have a lot of clothing that has tears in them that I don't get rid of. So, I can still wear these. I also noticed that I have a hole in my back butt. My back butt pocket. So, take this out. And I'm going to show you up close, but there's two patches in here. I'm going to install them, and we're going to go over how to do that and test it and see if they actually hold up or not. So stay tuned, and hopefully you enjoy what you see. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I took out the patches out of the container. So this is what the patches look like. Oh, I had that one upside down. So one bigger patch, one smaller patch. The smaller patch probably is going to cover the butt hole. That sounded weird. Anyway, the back pocket hole as much as I would like to. But I did want to read and make sure that we're doing this correctly. I couldn't find any videos on how to do this, so hopefully this video makes it on there to help other people out. So you're supposed to prep it with isopropyl alcohol. I got some. And then I got a cloth to damp it with, and I'm just going to go over it. I don't really have any loose threads, really. I mean, there's threads, but they're really loose. I don't know. So, we're going to crack and peel the paper, release the liner, center it over, and apply pressure. And I'm just going to kind of rub it on. And then we're going to use my fancy dancy heat gun to apply heat to it and make sure it sticks. It does say to tumble dry on low for 10 minutes, then press moderately with pressure in a circular motion for 30 seconds. We'll see. So with some editing magic, the camera's going to end up over here. It's going to look down at this toolbox with my pants on those box. I have regular pants on, so you don't have to worry about it. I brought those pants in as extra because, yeah, Lord knows nobody wants to see that. And I got to keep this YouTube channel up. So, alright, that being said, here we go. Alright, so now from now on you're going to see my hands. Just going to apply some rubbing alcohol in this paper towel. And I'm going to lightly put that on there. Alright, I think it's probably more than lightly. So, let's see here. Let's apply, dry it up. Don't get it too hot though. It is alcohol. Don't want it to catch on fire. That would suck. Ooh, it's getting dry. So stretch that guy out a little bit. I don't feel any wetness. And there's a seam just right on the other side of that, so I'm going to try to get this as flat as I can. I'll break this guy apart like so. And for me, I'm going to put the skull going that way since this is my right leg. Have it face outwards. Why? Just because I chose to. A little rhyme or reason for that. So I'm just going to size her up. And this is just for me. Like so. Okay. So I'm going to start peeling. Not really good at laying stickers either, so I got a buddy named Kalen, he does that type of stuff. Alright. Okay, and then I'm going to go backwards. Maybe. Come on, baby. There we go, get the paper. Go. It does feel like a fabric when it's separated from this stuff. With it like this, it does feel kind of weird, but with it like this, it kind of does feel like fabric, which is kind of nice. I don't know what patches are really supposed to do. Like I'm a dude, so not saying that dudes don't do patches, just or sew stuff or anything like that. I don't. So here we go. So I'm just gonna apply moderate heat. This is a heat gun, so it does get a lot hotter than a blow dryer, and more likely more than the tumble dryer. So I'm just gonna go around the edges and kind of in the center, and I can feel a little bit of the heat over here. So alright, and didn't say let it like a cure time or anything like that. It just says do it for about 30 seconds, and which I want to say that's probably pretty good. So I'll let that sit though, just in case, and then I'll do the same thing over here. What I called the butthole thing earlier. Yay, not so damp. So just do the same. There's a little bit more loose fibers, but I'm also going to use these guys because there's a pocket. That way the adhesive doesn't stick on the other side of that pocket. Okay. So, this guy, let's put him like, I like that. That guy looks cool. Let's go. I like that. Let's do the same trend with the helmet going towards the outside. So, peel that side of it. Get this guy centered as much as I can. And then alright, that actually looks kind of cool. Same thing, I'm just going to apply heat, go around the edges first. Well, I've done decals and different stuff, so I'm just treating it the same way as I've done that type of stuff. I could actually see the adhesive. It's really hard to see, but you can see it coming out around the edges. I would assume that's probably good then. So, see if you guys could see the adhesive on there. It is a little toasty. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's a little glossy. Glossy. So I'm just gonna apply pressure. And it says in a circular motion, but there's nothing circular about this, so I don't know. Alright, same thing, let that guy sit, give it a chance. And it didn't stick to those, so that's kind of a bonus. It is tacky on the inside, but I like the pants are going to stick, so. And that pant leg didn't stick to itself, so that's good. And it is cured. It's not stuck to the other leg, just to prove that. So let's say this is what they were doing when I watched the current 1776 with the NOSO people at SHOT Show. They did that. They made a shorts video. I'll try to put a card somewhere on the screen, and so you guys can see that. Dude, I mean, it doesn't feel different. I don't want to like intentionally like try to rip it off, but the kind of abuse I put on my pants, it's probably more than I'll ever do. It's not coming up anywhere from that, and I'm pulling on this, so you guys know I'm trying to get this thing to like pop, or my pants to rip, either way. And let's see what it looks like on the other side. Turn my pant leg in. Dude, look, they close it up pretty good. So I'm just gonna cut those off now. Maybe that's what I meant by getting rid of the loose threads. Don't cut towards you. What the hell was I doing? Alright. Dude, that's actually kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie. So, I have another pair of pants to wear. Look at that. Pants, salutes. Alright, let's check out the back one now. Give it some time. So, this one had bigger holes though. So, you're gonna see the adhesive on that. More than likely, they'll just wear out over time anyway. But this is the one I kind of want to keep on there because it's kind of cool. It's a cross, so. And I haven't been on their website like I said I was going to. Not yet, anyway, because I was skeptical. And dude, you know what? Okay. It's not pulling up anywhere. I would say that's on, dude. That's pretty cool. Alright, so after installing them and putting them on, as you can see, they're holding up pretty good. Yeah, I mean, now that means I just have another pair of pants to wear, which is kind of cool because I wasn't really wearing these just because of the sheer fact I had the holes in them, you know. I tore them up a little bit. 5'11" pants aren't supposed to tear up like that. 5'11". Get your shit together. So yeah. Again, I think that's pretty cool. I can't remember how much they were on their website, but do they work? They really do. So check out NOSO patches. NOSO. No website or anything, is there? Probably nosopatches.com. There you go. So yeah, check them out. That's what the logo looks like. So you guys know. And obviously it works. So Again, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell thing, bobber, in the bottom corner, and see you next time.
Dude, Jonas, I question every single time I work with you if you're actually gay or not.
Thanks, dog.
Wonder if I should leave that in the video or not.
My first long-term girlfriend asked me that too. It was like, it took me a while to figure out if you're straight or gay. I'm like, thanks.
What's
Wow.
long term for you, Jonas?
3 years.
Holy fuck.
Took her that long to find out.
No. I think she found out like the first time I grabbed her ass.
Like, if we were dating, I would know that you're straight.
Oh, thanks, dog.
No, I'm saying, like, if I was a girl,
Right? Oh, dude.
I mean, I would expect you to be straight since we're dating.
Well, you know, you've heard about the term beard and stuff.
Well, what do I know?
I get that.
I'm just a dumbass 20-year-old.
2022.